Leaving disinfectant on a surface for only a few seconds often means bacteria and viruses survive, keeping the restroom unsafe. Proper disinfectant dwell time matters because most products require a specific wet contact period to inactivate pathogens effectively. Read the product label first and follow the manufacturer recommended contact time exactly. Labels are written to match laboratory testing conditions and vary widely by chemical. Ensure the surface stays visibly wet for the full period by applying enough solution and using a low-pressure sprayer or trigger bottle held close to the surface so coverage is even. For vertical or absorbent surfaces, pre-clean to remove soils, then overspray so runoff feeds the dwell time, or use a foam formulation that clings longer. If evaporation is rapid because of heat or ventilation, respray rather than wiping, and consider using a product with a shorter documented contact time when rapid drying is unavoidable. Always protect staff with gloves and eye protection, and train them to read labels and time treatments, for example by setting a timer on a phone to ensure the full dwell time elapses. Common mistakes include wiping the surface dry immediately, which removes the disinfectant before it works. Avoid wiping until the label indicated time has passed, and instead mark treated areas until they dry naturally. Another issue is assuming one spray covers the whole surface, so under application leaves untreated patches. Apply methodically in overlapping strokes and visually confirm continuous wetness. A third problem is relying on a quick visual clean to equal disinfection, which ignores pathogens hidden in biofilm and organic soil. First, physically clean with detergent, rinse if required, then apply the disinfectant and allow full contact time. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and compare project approaches relevant to restroom sanitation and commercial cleaning needs. We also help contractors find work and join a discussion community where we share practical tips on cleaning protocols and product choices.